Hi, it's Joe from Let's Talk Porsche. Today's tech tip is all about your heated windscreen and mirrors across the Porsche range, how to turn them on and off. We're going to be using this beautiful Eurasian green paint sample Macan GTS. Let's have a look. So the full Porsche range has heated mirrors. Now where your mirror adjustment is majority of the time on the driver's door, there's no option to turn the heated mirrors on. Instead, you use the switch which is indicated for the rear glass. So the demister for the rear glass also turns on your heated mirrors. So if your Porsche is fitted with the optional front heated glass, there's two ways to turn this on. You can use the front demister, which will put the fans to maximum and demist the inside of the windscreen and also turn on the heated element. Or if you don't want the fans on max, you can use the rear demister button, and that will do the rear glass, the wing mirrors and the front glass all in one. Favourite option to fit on a Porsche has to be the heated steering wheel. To activate this, there's a button just at the very bottom in the centre. As you put your finger around the back of the wheel, you click that, it will tell you on the dash it's turned the heated steering wheel on, and that is a very, very nice feature this time of year. So there you are, that's how you turn on the optional heated windscreen and heated steering wheel, and of course the heated mirrors which all Porsches have. Hopefully that's useful, especially this time of year. Please like and subscribe this video to stay up to date with all things Porsche.